how to use ばかりか not only but also.
私は強い、すごく強いので、私なら一人でもあそこの巨人どもを蹴散らせる。あなたたちは腕が立たないばかりか臆病で腰抜けだ。ここで指をくわえたりしてればいい。くわえてみてろ。
ばかりか is used to add an extra, unexpected piece of information. It works like not only dun dun dun, but also dun dun dun. This grammar point stresses that one aspect is true, and in addition, another remarkable aspect exists. For instance, here in Attack on Titan, not only are you weak, but you're also cowards. So here she's really belittling everyone. Not only are they one negative, weak, 腕が立たないばかりか, they're also cowards. 臆病で腰抜けだ。
私なら一人でもあそこの巨人どもを蹴散らせる。あなたたちは腕が立たないばかりか臆病で腰抜けだ。ここで指をくわえたりしてればいい。くわえてみてろ。
Or like here in Final Fantasy XVI, not only was the army defeated, そればかりか, not only that, but they even took the women and children.
エルウィン様を失って混乱していた時よ、ロザリア軍は一方的に敗れたわ。そればかりか、奴らは女子供を連れ去って。
Or like here in Metal Gear Solid 2, not only is he able to walk, so そればかりか, he can even run.
その心配はいらん。実は私は歩けるのだ。そればかりか、走ることもできる。
どういうことだ?
Next, we have two testing sections to help reinforce the language in your mind. The first stage will test your understanding of the English meaning of the grammar, with the second stage testing your Japanese understanding. While this is quite simple as there's only one grammar point to focus on, this will still help you familiarize with how the grammar is used in the sentence, reinforce the meaning, and even give you a chance to visualize using it yourself with the help of the example sentences. Try reading the answer out loud to yourself before the timer runs out to help reinforce the grammar use in your head, as well as give you a little bit of Japanese listening practice. Good luck and have fun. ばかりか, not only, but also.
ばかりか。腕が立たないばかりか、臆病で腰抜けだ。
あなたたちは腕が立たないばかりか臆病で腰抜けだ。ここで指をくわえたりしてればいい。くわえてみてろ。
そればかりか、女子供を連れ去って。
そればかりか、奴らは女子供を連れ去って。
そればかりか、走ることもできる。
実は私は歩けるのだ。そればかりか、走ることもできる。
Not only are you weak, but you're also cowards.
あなたたちは腕が立たないばかりか臆病で腰抜けだ。ここで指をくわえたりしてればいい。くわえてみてろ。
Not only that, they even took away the women and children.
そればかりか、奴らは女子供を連れ去って。
Not only that, I can even run.
実は 私は歩けるのだ。そればかりか、走ることもできる。
Thanks so much for watching. I hope this helps you get more familiar with this grammar point. If you like this video, make sure to leave a like, subscribe to the channel, leave a comment letting me know what you think about the video. If there's any particular pieces of Japanese you'd like to see covered on this channel, let me know in the comment section. An enormous shout out to the supporters of the channel. I absolutely would not be able to make these videos without you guys, so thank you so much. If you'd like to support the channel as well as join the Game Gengo Discord, then feel free to join as a member either through the Game Gengo website or through Patreon. Not only can you help support the channel, but you can also get help with your Japanese any time of the day, hang out and chat. People often stream in the Discord learning Japanese together, and you can even vote on upcoming videos. Thank you so much to everyone who supports the channel, whether as a member or simply by liking and watching the video. Thanks so much guys, I hope you're enjoying learning Japanese, and as always, I'll see you all again in the next video. See ya.